Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. Today is a car boot sale video. We're going to go and have a look around the car boot sale now. Oh, I'm absolutely shattered. Stayed up to watch UFC last night and it's currently, don't know if you can see that, 5:52. A little bit late today. I usually get here a lot earlier, but yeah, I'm going to stick you on my chest. I'm going to go and have a look around. Let's go and see what we find.
Go on, I need you to stand and watch this a minute, mate.
Morning, guys. How much is your slush puppy thing?
£5.
£5, thank you. Oh, sorry, I'm in your way.
No,
Go on, sorry. Busy enough, ain't you?
Can't believe how busy it is here.
It's always busy here this time. Yeah, I know, yeah.
Right.
Oh, well done, mate. How much are they?
You right?
Yeah, not bad, you?
I think so.
It's a little extender and
What is it?
that's like a Wi-Fi extender.
What do you want to give for them? I don't understand it.
I'd give you £5 for the pair if you want them. It's just like a little add-on for a router box without the router.
£7, I was going to say tenner.
£7. Or is it just that one?
I was just going to go £5 each, I don't know. £7 the two.
Yeah. I'll do you a £5. It's nice. They're not that expensive, to be honest. Yeah, lovely. Top man. Thanks, mate. Sorry, mate. Go on.
What is it? Is that banger roller something? Yeah.
Sorry, mate. You ain't got change for us, then, have you? Is that all right?
£5, isn't it?
Yeah, top man. Thank you very much. Sure. Sorry, mate. Where's the governor gone?
Yeah.
Spinning around in circles. Cheers, mate. Thank you. Sorry, mate. A couple other bits. Fiver. Top man. Right, I'll love and leave you. Cheers, mate.
I've got a moment with you. Just get. You guys you are. That's it. How you doing, Nigel? All right?
Sorry.
Have for yourself, brother. Have for yourself for knitting stuff. Oh, sorry, sister. Sorry.
Excuse me, though. How much is your calculator?
Pounds.
Pound. Thank you. There you go. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Come on then, you can have a look at this box.
What are you doing for these, Em?
Them two.
Yeah. £2.
Yeah,
£2. There's a quid. Em. Go on then. No, I'll come back when you set up. I'll come and buy some more. Sorry, man. In your way, sorry. Oh, please. How much is your guitar, please, mate?
£2.
£2, thank you. Yeah, I'll have that. Cheers, mate.
Leave it if you take. Leave it in the box.
There you go, mate. £2. Top man. Oh, sorry.
Right,
Kick sound. Thank you, mate. How much is that, mate? Please. £5. Cheers, mate. Thank you. Sorry, mate, we're changing the £5 you said.
You want that one?
Yeah, sorry, yeah. Cheers, mate. I've got nothing smaller for you. Top man, thank you very much, mate. Legend. Thanks, mate.
Thank you anyway.
Local matches. These, yeah, just very cracked. Look, an 8. How much are those, mate? 20. Cheers. Yeah, shame they're in battered nick.
Come back. I'll keep them aside for you if you want.
Lovely. Cheers, mate. Yeah. Gaming stuff. I'll have a look.
Nothing special.
No, that's alright. Just. Oh, lovely. Cheers, mate. Thank you. How much? Oh, sorry, mate. How much do you want for the games? How much are they?
Oh, sorry?
How much are they? What are you?
For the games, it depends. If you want to buy more, I'll do them all for a tenner.
Oh, right, okay. Cheers, mate.
The control pad, I don't know if that's good or not. I'm not sure.
Yeah, no. It's
battery pack in the back. But
no, lovely.
It could be a working control pad. I don't know. It's not been used in this part of the year.
Yeah, no.
Through not being broken,
Yeah.
don't use it.
No, I appreciate you, honestly. Cheers, mate.
She look at them.
You like the baby there, sorry?
Yeah, she can. Right, man, and all this bit.
Yeah, these boys are.
How much is just the one?
Give it a pad.
Do a grand? Yeah, top man. Go on, mate.
What's in there?
Oh, these are stuff that we was near, you know, near John. That's stuff John needs from.
Where's this from?
No, I got it somewhere.
Well, you need to tell me, because otherwise I think it's my stuff.
All right.
Yes, love. £2. This stuff I think is mine and I'll be laying it out. Yeah, I know. Put it round the back. Put it round the back. It's like, oh, shit, I'll pay for them. Put it round the back. £3 each, £5.
I'm going to push it under the.
Push it round there. Stick it under the back so I know it's not mine. £3, love. £3.
You alright, mate? Sorry, mate. How much are your phones?
£3.
£3, thank you. And your VHS?
A pair for a £5 if you want it.
Pair for a £5. Can't say no to that, can you? Lovely. Thank you, mate. I will have them. I'm just going to keep looking as well.
Oh, mate, yeah. Pop them out underneath at the behind.
Is that alright? Yeah. I'll tell you what. I've got a bag. I'll put them in there. I'm not going to run away. Don't worry. Running's not in my not in my skill set, I'm afraid. I'll stick these just under here. Is that all right? Cheers, mate. Just those, please. If that's all right. Thank you, mate. Yeah, please. Top man, mate. Gentlemen, thank you very much. Have a nice day, mate. All the best, yeah. Good luck. Yeah, and them.
Stupid money How much are the wellies out of curiosity? How much were they, babe? 30, thank you.
I don't mind cheeky offers. Cheeky offer,
Don't ask, you don't get.
That's it.
much are your little calculator?
How much for the calculators, John? What we'll talk about? Two little calculators.
Little calculator things.
I'll take a tenner for the two.
Yeah, no worries, thank you. How much is your camera as well?
How much is the camera, Ainor?
£5, thank you. Yeah, lovely, thank you. No, they're not. No. No, too big for him, mate.
I know that's the best thing about boot sales.
Your Monopoly, eh? How much is your Monopoly as well?
How much is the Monopoly, Ainor? What is it? Monopoly. You can have that for £1.
For £1, bargain, thank you.
It's a bargain, isn't it?
Yeah. Right, I'll have the Monopoly, that's £1. Yeah, I'll have the Monopoly. Oh, sorry, I'm not talking to me. Right, let me give you £1. There's £1.
Oh, thanks,
Thank you.
There's loads of stuff. I've just got to get it out. We're really late. We went to. Yeah, we went to the wrong boot sale. To Hayes. It's not open
Next week.
Yeah, next week.
Oh, is it? Yeah, Hayes is on the 30th, so yeah, it was a bit of a mission this morning.
If it turns on, does it?
Yeah, just a bit. Oh yeah, look what's going on here. Here, lads. Have a look. See, this is my sister's stuff, so that be going through. No one get aggressive. Like that.
That's mine, mate, sorry. How much is your fire stick, with them? £5, thank you. What's that, mate?
Little figure.
What figure is he? Oh, Captain Jack Sparrow.
Hey guys, I'm just going to grab another basket out of
Homing pigeon, you had them in.
Yeah. What?
What you got, Bobs?
I've got a camera, I've got a fire stick. Do you know if that turns on or if it turns on? I couldn't work it
It
out.
needs a pill battery.
Oh, it's a pain, isn't it? Sorry.
Yeah, I used to be married to a guy that worked at Casio.
Right, I see.
Yeah, that's all the survived
yeah.
of the marriage.
Oh, I'm very sorry for that.
Millions, mate.
Oh, was it you right there now?
I didn't see it.
You wouldn't. You said about cheeky offers. Wouldn't do a tenner for a lot, would you?
Go on, Bobs.
Yeah, go on.
Yeah,
Then.
mate.
Thank you very much.
Come on, you've done nice, you've done-
No. You said cheeky offers. I'll give you a cheeky offer.
I'm very grateful.
No, thank you. Let's see if I've got a tenner. Have you got a tenner?
Yeah,
Sorry.
babes, yeah. We've only been dealing in paper money this morning. It ain't all bad.
That's good though, isn't it? Yeah, thank you very
definitely.
much.
Very grateful.
Cheers. No, thank you. Thanks for that. Good luck. Hope you get rid of the rest of it.
I didn't see it.
You wouldn't. You said about cheeky offers. Wouldn't do a tenner for a lot, would you?
Go on, Bobs.
Yeah, go on.
Yeah,
Then.
mate.
Thank you very
Come
much.
on, you've done nice, you've done-
No. You said cheeky offers. I'll give you a cheeky offer.
I'm very grateful.
No, thank you. Let's see if I've got a tenner. Have you got a tenner?
Yeah,
Sorry.
babes, yeah. We've only been dealing in paper money this morning. It ain't all bad.
That's good though, isn't it? Yeah, thank you very
definitely.
much.
Very grateful.
Cheers. No, thank you. Thanks for that. Good luck. Hope you get rid of the rest of it. I can see some ice. I don't know if I say it. How bad is it? Oh. Cool.
Which one? That one, yeah.
How much are your skates, please, mate?
Huh?
How much are your skates?
£1.
One.
Just one.
Just one of them?
Yeah, just one of them.
Let's buy one skate. Am I going to buy one skate?
One skate.
One skate.
One skate. Actually, can't skate with one leg.
Depends if you've got a broken skate, doesn't it? I'll take a risk for £1. Why not? There you go, mate. I'll take a risk. Cheers, buddy.